Have you ever wondered why your face contorts into a frown when you're upset, or why a genuine smile spreads across your face when you're happy? Welcome to the fascinating world of facial expressions and social emotions. Our guide on this journey is none other than Dr. Freitas-Magalhães, a leading expert in the field, who has penned the insightful book, Facial Maps of Social Emotions. This book delves deep into the intricate relationship between our faces and our emotions, and how this interplay influences our social interactions. At the heart of this book lie the key concepts of facial coding and emotional mapping. Facial coding represents the process of identifying and understanding the emotions displayed on a person's face. This method allows us to decode the subtle hints on someone's face to understand their emotional state better. It's like learning a new language, but instead of words, we're interpreting wrinkles, frowns, and smiles. On the other hand, emotional mapping is a concept that extends beyond the individual. It considers how our emotions and their facial indicators influence our social interactions. It's the study of how our smiles, frowns, and everything in between shape the world around us, from our closest relationships to our broadest social networks. Another significant aspect discussed in the book is the universality of facial expressions. Despite the diversity of cultures and languages around the world, our facial expressions remain a common language. A smile in New York means the same as a smile in Tokyo, just as a frown in London carries the same weight as a frown in Sydney. This shared language of expressions bridges gaps and brings us closer as humans. Dr. Freitas-Magalhães also delves into the evolutionary aspect of facial expressions. From an evolutionary standpoint, the ability to express and interpret emotions through facial expressions has been a crucial survival tool for humans. It has allowed us to communicate fear, joy, sadness, and a myriad of other emotions without uttering a single word. In summary, Facial Maps of Social Emotions is a riveting exploration into the world of facial expressions and their influence on our social lives. It introduces us to the concepts of facial coding and emotional mapping, highlights the universal language of facial expressions, and underscores the evolutionary importance of our ability to express and interpret emotions through our faces. So the next time you find yourself smiling, frowning, or expressing any emotion through your face, remember, you're not just displaying a personal feeling. You're participating in a universal, evolutionary, and deeply social act. And with the knowledge you now possess, you can read these emotional maps, understand their meaning, and navigate social interactions more effectively.